House of 10 session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously passes 6 demand for grants amounting over 1,000 crore rupees on third day. Ruling ministers introduced 4 different bills in House today, including the Bir Tikendrajit University Manipur Bill 2020. Chief Minister N. Biren says silent electric engines will be fitted to diesel auto rickshaws running in Imphal city by this April to reduce noise pollution. And Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit prepares for 2022 State Legislative Assembly elections. JDU Lok Sabha MP Ramprit Mandal hopeful of strengthening JDU-BJP alliance. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. House of the 10th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously passed 6 demands for grants amounting 1,050 crore 80 lakh and 35,000 rupees on the third day today. The demands are demand number 1, State Legislature, demand number 2, Council of Ministers, demand number 3, Secretariat, demand number 6, Transport, demand number 12, Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, and demand number 48, Relief and Disaster Management. Opposition MLAs K. Ranjit, K.H. Joy Kishan, R.K. Imo and Surjukumar Okram raised policy cut motions on demand number 6, demand number 12 and demand number 48. The demands were finally passed unanimously after the concerned ministers gave appropriate response on the policy cuts raised. Three ministers on the ruling bench of the Assembly session introduced 4 different bills in House today. Art and Culture Minister Langpong Lakpam Jayant Kumar tabled the Kangla Fort Amendment Bill 2020 and the Manipur University of Culture Amendment Bill 2020. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham tabled the Bir Tikendrajit University Manipur Bill 2020 and PHED Minister Losi Diko tabled the Manipur Sewerage Bill 2020. Finance Minister cum Chief Minister Nongpom Biren tabled the Manipur Appropriation Number 1 Bill 2020, which was unanimously passed in the House today. Leader of the House cum Chief Minister N. Biren said arrangements are in place to replace noisy engines of diesel auto rickshaws running in Imphal city with silent electric engines by this April. It was responding to policy cut motion raised by opposition MLAs in the House today on demand number 6, Transport. Biren asserted that noise pollution in Imphal city will significantly reduce with the conversion. He said government will contribute 40,000 rupees out of the total 70,000 rupees required for the conversion, and the rest will be borne by auto rickshaw owners. Chief Minister Biren added that government will provide loans to those auto rickshaw owners in need. He also told the House that government plans to start Imphal to Mandalay flight service by this March or April. Biren assured to start Imphal Dimapur, Imphal Mandalay bus service and night bus service across the state in the near future. The leader of the House disclosed that Centre has already sanctioned 39 crore rupees for additional helicopter service over the existing one in the state.
Heliport mafam manga taruk sananabagi already sanction tawre agency apply tawre adagi Imphal Mandalay bus service haugodore adagi Dimapur Imphal Mandalay flight show Imphal Mandalay flight si civil aviation ministry na ayaba pire moi kano tawre tender flow tawre adugi matungina madusu just probably March, April bhau gi manung adai da di haibi phal mandre flight services su taurani haidana adugi aingonda leiba official source information madoi kaino taruka house da thamjabani aduga
Health Minister L. Jayant Kumar told in the House today that all the 248 people who returned from China to Manipur between January mid till February 17 are negative of coronavirus. He was responding to opposition MLA Surya Kumar Okram during the question hour of the Assembly session today. Minister Jayant Kumar assured that necessary screening of coronavirus started at Imphal International Airport and other crucial entry points since January 18th. He assured that isolation wards with ventilators are kept ready at RIMS and Jennings Hospital in case of any outbreak. The health minister said, though the medical directorate lacks adequate budget, if necessary funds under office contingency and office expenditure head will be utilized in the event of the virus outbreak. It disclosed that an approved budget of 49 lakh rupees has been sanctioned under NHM Manipur Integrated Disease Surveillance Program for training and laboratory support for financial year 2019-20. Minister Jayant Kumar also said that the Health Directorate had announced ban on certain suspicious foods imported from Myanmar. He also said the Health Department has started stocking of masks from the market. Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit is gearing up for 2022 State Legislative Assembly elections. Party has received 5 entrants including former Kurai MLA Ningthaucham Bihari and former Moirang MLA Kirani's son Laishram Ramananda. JDU Lok Sabha MP cum North-East Region Development in charge Rampreet Mandal, who is on 4-day state visit, is in Imphal, accorded a warm welcome to the new members Ningthaucham Bihari, Laishram Ramananda, Madan Singh, Sikandar Saha and Basupati Dhital at the party office in New Chekon today. Speaking on the occasion, Rampreet Mandal said JDU is putting all-out efforts under party national president Nitish Kumar to field as many candidates as possible in the 2022 State Legislative Assembly election. He disclosed that discussions were held with Chief Minister Nongthom Biren to strengthen the JDU-BJP alliance in the upcoming election. The MP said his visit aimed to strengthen the JDU in northeast states, including Manipur. He said discussion held with party top officials during his visit will be apprised to party national president and top leaders of NDA. He believed that strength of BJP and JDU in northeast states will be enhanced considering the JDU-NDA alliance. President of JDU Manipur State Unit, Hankapao Taitul, and top party leaders attended the event.
2022 में रामानंद सिंह जी भी कॉन्टेस्ट करेंगे मोइरांग से, ये बात मैं वहां रखूंगा हाईकमान में। अब मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर जो हमारा नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट है उनको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, आग्रह करूंगा कि एक बार मणिपुर में आकर के आपके बीच में संगठन का थोड़ा मजबूत बनाने का हम लोग आशीर्वाद देंगे। बहुत उम्मीद लेकर के मैं आज दिल्ली से जा रहा हूं कि आप लोगों ने बहुत सहयोग किया और आप लोग हमारे प्रेसिडेंट को, हमारे कार्यकर्ता को, जनता दल यूनाइटेड के जो ऑफिस में आप लोग आए हुए हैं, सबों से आग्रह करूंगा कि आप लोग हमारे पार्टी को मजबूत कीजिए और भविष्य हमारे नीतीश कुमार के साथ है, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के साथ है, माननीय संगठन जो हमारे नीतीश कुमार जी हैं उनका फ्यूचर जो है ब्राइट है।
One-day training under Human Institutional Capacity Building Program stressed on impact of climate change in agriculture, its mitigation and adaptation strategy in Manipur today. Department of Science and Technology, DST Climate Change Project, Central Agriculture University, CAU Imphal, organized the event at CAU Conference Hall in Iroisemba. Speaking to media, DST Principal Investigator cum CAU Dean Professor N. Nabachandra said, crop diversification and integrated farming system are required to enhance crop productions in Manipur in the wake of climate change. He said climate change in recent years has greatly reduced rice productions in the state. Professor N. Nabachandra said DST Climate Change Project CAU has identified 8 varieties of ancestral paddy seeds which can thrive well in the existing climate. He said farmers of the 5 prime affected districts of the state, namely Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Churachandpur and Bishnupur districts, will be consulted to cultivate the paddy varieties. Professor N. Nabachandra said interested farmers from Imphal West district will be selected during the training to collaborate with them. HOD of College of Agriculture, CAU Imphal Professor M. Kunjaraj attended the event.
Climate change la pakanda ikang tholpa matamda ichau tholpa matamda nongju gi phibam kai pakanda khare henna chathok ta kai na kai da bage habi thijan jaruni adu sahi amrom jidai phau makhal phanam khomjan jab loijare mathangi sahi da makoi gi trial muk chathagani farmer isine no mayang go loina na district manga jida farmer mayang isin naw jama koi na phangi ba chathok gi phibam ji yengaga Manipur gi oina climate change la pa ji de sugum ba phau tharagadi yamne hena kanagani habi gi message ma ina pibangam Karigumba Posina Bera, Makakar Posina, Upileta, Purabar Ikang Tokari, Pogi Mohuchilaga, a top alternate put crops at the Umanga Webaya, I the hike up Webe, something my may Pibongima in a Tabaya, Pogi Sakim Huchilaga, but Saxing Kari no, have Tijan Bagishar Amagayogeri.
Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West has remanded late Ayekpam Marina's husband and his brother into 3 days of police remand in connection with her suspicious death. Family members of the deceased women erupted into intense agitation as the 2 accused, 27-year-old Ayekpam Jinglen Sana, son of Janeshwar, and his 21-year-old younger brother Ayekpam Naukcha were produced before the court today. Impact News sources said Ayekpam Marina died mysteriously in the wee hours of January 14th. She was found hanging in her room and succumbed to death at Rims. Late Marina's brother filed a complaint at Lamphel police station, after which police arrested Jinglen Sana and his brother. Irate people pelted stones at the 2 accused brothers as they were escorted out from the court complex. Sources said a public meeting will be held soon and a JC will formed against the suspicious death.
Police Department na hariba aigi sa ngasi thoiba tawdok se aseng balang langlan jim putok duna miat pase chap chana para ma tambidna kasum jangdama bunji supa thamaga heng tora harkadamni makhata na nupi singda ngasi jathariba sumbai cha thoije amon na imaleba Manipur se thok dana ba ngasi eben misdagi para ma mayam khoi panna changdon tambinar jaibje si katane mapa moine pe mayam da thamjeningi se
no makang na tholiba bisimina ase akhoi matung da thok dana ba namta si asidagi akhoi mama khudimangna amatoina changsamina ji ko tagi tholaga gari da changsan khena tawo matamda khangokdana aigi khawida mesalaga thamiba se asumai tawdana akhoi nupi bu namda ba haiba se ngasi asina sakine ado asigi mara leba khawri meliba nupa se thokbiraktuna masi thibiduna matik chaba dandi pihaninge.
Churachandpur District Police have traced the 12-year-old girl from Yangtam Lamka who went missing since February 16th morning. According to Impact News sources, a police team under the supervision of Churachandpur SP started search operations following a complaint filed by family members. The team finally found her at one of her friend's house last evening. A police team led by Imphal Police Station OC and Ingosha has arrested a biker accused of snatching purse from women commuters at various places. Police arrested him in possession of a lady's handbag containing gold jewelry and cash from Keshantong Top Lerak yesterday. The miscreant is 26-year-old Kuraijam Aruba, son of KH Ibotombi from Sagolban, Ingudam Lerak. Thoubal District United Women's Development Organization in a press release said Community Health Center Sugnu lacks adequate number of doctors, nurses and technicians for X-ray and ultrasonography. while people are facing inconveniences due to lack of nurses at Kakching Primary Health Center. The organization appealed to authorities concerned to address the issues at the earliest. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Artist Day held at MDU Hall in Yeskul Police Lane today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. Manipur Dramatic Union, MDU, and Kondram Dhanachandra Foundation jointly observed Artist Day at MDU Hall in Yeshkul Police Lane today. Kondram Dhanachandra Ningsing Mana given in memory of late Kondram Dhanachandra, who is the founder president of MDU. The first drama union of Manipur was awarded to Padma Shri Warepa Naba for this year. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Manipur State Kala Academy, Laurembam Kishorjit said, theatre drama used to attract huge crowds in olden times. He stressed on the need to ponder and discuss on the decreasing number of audience. Kishorjit opined library to house the creations of theatre teachers will be beneficial for the future generations. Attendees paid a floral tribute to late theatre artist at the event.
Manipur society lifestyle aduga hongiba kanogi tongan entertainment gi medium mayam au thola pasi so chu factor mani masina ekoi gi bhabok si yam thak mai ko gi putok ki bagi ke mamaka adu maru ibati theater gi proscenium theater gi tasengba yamna ongba nai da ma proscenium theater da nungai ba pot ma khati masgi live performance oiba adu masi tasengna yamna highly intellectual exercise ama moina changsel pot asin pot oira pasinani.
Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society, KIMAX, has denounced the Thangta uniform Huyen Lanfi manufactured by Apunba Manipur Huyen Lalong Lup and Yening Dress and Design. Speaking to media at KIMAX office in Palace Compound today, KIMAX Publicity and Information Secretary Thangjam Suraj Mitay said KIMAX has been upholding age-old Thangta since 2003. He claimed that with the society's unceasing efforts, government finally introduced Thangta as a school subject. Suraj said Thangta attire named Safi is already in use by students after taking permission from titular King Lesemba Sanajauba and Palace Customs Secretary. He strongly condemned the new Thangta uniform as disregard to the titular king. Thangjam Suraj appealed to students of the state not to wear the newly launched Huyen Lanfi available at Job Center, Keshampad and Queen's Lane Palace Compound. He further warned of actions against those involved in launching the new uniform.
Mangdagi lisang sina school jingda khona honariba oza training toro oza thariba dress se sana kunungdagi adi ining thodagi amandi thangta losingdi akoina tanara kanda puthokiba dress design siga chamana bama koi ining tho adegi ataite mayam si tanaba tawdana dress design putho e launch tore gaine ta torok pusida akoida yamna nungai ta bhai tare masi thon bidana ba ai kimas ki maiki dige appeal tawjari loina haiba ngarang launch tawgiba uniform se tasingna school jingda sinabi yaro haiba dress si launch tawba matamda design tawgiba yening dress and design jisu masi makata na sigumba school jingda pigani fangangani haina tawriba masi tawbigano aduga masigi dress ibu fangani haiba mafam sinasu haiba dress si thamba yaroi pongtau tawba yabagi mong do uribasi maram matakta yengsanaba makoida kari tawba yabagi habadu akoi aiba chiema athu matamda tharga koi ge habam thokpa tawbam thokpujingda makata na lokhat piraknaba koi athu matamda hona jaragani.
One-day international workshop discussed on importance of language and religion in safeguarding cultural diaspora with special reference to Manipuri diaspora relations today. Department of Dance and Music, UGC Stride Component 1 Manipur University organized the workshop sponsored by UGC Stride Component, UGC New Delhi at Manipur University's VC Court Hall. Experts stress that Manipuri diasporas across the world can safeguard Manipur's culture, language and religion.
This topic which we are discussing today, language, culture, religion, All these things play important role in one's own personality. What type of person one will become, what is character, what is his conduct, how does he contribute to the society, is he good for the society or not good for the society. All things come from here. So we have to make sure that we are able to follow a well-disciplined religion, good culture, and have the language.
Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited is providing subsidized home loans under Pradhan Mantri Yojana Credit Link Subsidy Scheme, that is PMAY CLSS till 2022. Company Chairman T.H. Hemo has appealed to people of the state to avail the opportunity. Speaking to media at the office of Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited in Uripok Taurangwam Laikai today, T.H. Hemo said the company, which is the first RBI National Housing Bank licensee in the Northeast, has been providing home loans under PMAY CLSS since its launch in 2015. He said people earning an income of 21,000 rupees per month in urban areas and 18,000 rupees per month in rural areas can take home loans under the scheme. T.H. Hemo appealed to people to attend the upcoming exhibition at Hotel Imphaal's Sangai Hall from March 14 to 15 on the company's real estate residential project in Maitram, Khabam, Bhamdiyar. He said interested people can even pre-book flats, apartments, villas and row houses during the exhibition.
अखोइन हजिक पिजरीबसी 13.5% पर एनम ने अदो हारिबा 13.5% पर एनम से सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पिरइबा सब्सिडी की 6.5 से खाइदो खरकांददी ओनली 7% पर एनम ओय अदे तारदे अखोइगी स्टेट सिदा याम लेरिबा बैंक सिंग लेबिरि मयाम सि ऑलमोस्ट यामना सुकी मति कानरबा सब्सिडाइज होम लोन सि प्रोवाइड तौविदबनिना अखोइगी पांथोइबी हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड न पिजरीबा 7% पर एनम से इट इज द लोएस्ट इंटरेस्ट रेट फॉर द सब्सिडाइज होम लोन हैबा वफम अतुसैना प्रजा मियामदा हुंदोक्चरी अदुना हारिबा हाउसिंग फॉर ऑल सी की खुदोंग चाबसी लहौरगा अखोइ मणिपुर प्रजा मियामना आइगी लेबिबा कच्चागी युम खुदिमक से लोइना पक्कागी युम ओंथोननबगी वखलोन अदो विदिन दिस स्टिपुलेटेड पीरियड 3 years हाइबदारे बाय 2022 सी मनुंगदा होननबगी वखलोन अदो अमुक हना थमजरी.
Dance Drama Music Repertoire Union Manipur observed its 15th Foundation Day at the Jubilee Hall of Manipur Jagoi Marup in Lamboi Khonangkhong today. First phase of discussion on the theme Identity, Roots and Trains of Manipur Classical Dance also kicked off at the event. Eminent scholar Professor Nongmai Them Tombi, eminent critics Rajmani Ayekpam, Indra Kumar Soibamcha and Kurajam Bobo graced the event. 4 renowned women artists of Manipur performed solo dances on the occasion. People's United Youth Alliance Puya and Manipur University Students Union MUSU will jointly organize one-day seminar on the theme Lona Imani Iekna Ipani at the Earth Science Hall of Manipur University on International Mother Language Day 2020, that is on February 21st. Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Bernie Hart, Assam, along with Apunba Imagi Machasing, Manipur today, held an awareness program on using canes and bamboos to make various items. The program was held at the Academic Hall of Department of Southeast Asian Studies, Manipur University. Speaking to media, manager of Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Bernie Hart, Assam, H. Priyokumar said, modern technology can be applied in manufacturing various cane and bamboo products. He also said more bamboos should be planted as it helps in maintaining ecological balance.
Wadagi, Karikari Sabaya, Habasi, Hana, Paipusi, Opo, Oilmaxina, Pongatan, Adu, Hotiki, Matamziki, Matumina, technology, and no technology, Mayama Lakmadagi, Lee Amazon Wadagi, Putopoya, Masing, Dukimatic Yam, Quena Sabaya, Maruena, Wazi, Hotiki Matam, Yam, Maruena, Quena Tada, ecologically balance sama semnabagidamta yamna maru oiba yamna fast growing oiba pambi ama oibanina masi sina tabai yadaba posak ama lakpachina ekhona technology anova technology sin raga kari pot saba yai habasi matang da ekhona bandamasi laiba tabai artificial sing pai sing digital sing sta kitang awareness ama khappi ne nokenda ei asi nomodi program asi pathok chabani.
Social Youth Organization Sanjimbam Uripo Kangchup Road in a press release said frequent power cutoff at Kangchup line or Lamsang line hinders students who are appearing the ongoing class 10 and 12 examinations. The organization appealed to the relevant department to ensure regular electricity considering the plight facing the students. Director of Horticulture and Soil Conservation K.H. Sayakiran opened a plant health clinic at District Horticulture and Soil Conservation Office in Thoubal district today. The clinic was constructed under Rashtriya Kishan Vikas Yojana. Speaking at the event, Director Sayakiran said the clinic is the 6th plant clinic in the state. She hoped that the newly opened clinic will help farmers of Thoubal and Kaching districts in yielding more crops. Students, staffs and non-teaching staffs of Jiribam Government Higher Secondary School have condoled the demise of the school's arts graduate teacher, Philem Moirang Leima. They stood and observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to her departed soul. Seva Bharati Manipur National Medical Organization Manipur Chapter and Saksham Manipur Brand will provide free cataract surgery under the name and style of Netra Kumbha 2019-20 at RIMS and Jenims from February 24th till March 5th. Netra Kumbha Manipur in a press release informed that details on the free cataract surgery, which is being supported by Directorate of Health Services, Government of Manipur, Ophthalmic Cell and Jenims Parampat may be obtained from HOD of Jenims Ophthalmology Dr. Vidyarani or Dr. R.K. Victor till February 23rd. Cyclist from Manipur G. Ingobi Chingtham reached his final destination Laos at 8:43 a.m. today. He has expressed gratitude to people of Manipur, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham and Manipuri diasporas in Singapore and Malaysia for all their support. 21-year-old G. Ingobi Chingtham, son of Chingtham Ongbi, Tampak Leima from Kongjom Sapa Mayai Laika, embarked on his cycling tour to 7 Southeast Asian countries of Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Cambodia, Vietnam and Laos on August 3rd last year, carrying the message of One World, One Family, global integration, Act East policy, women's market, women's empowerment, climate change, respect your identity and others will respect you. Minister Karam Sham flagged off his tour from Kangla Western Gate. G. Ingobi is currently at Laos border town Luang Prabang. Manipur Students Federation MSF will observe Manipur Players Day on February 25th, while MSU, MSF, Desam, KSA, Suk and AIMS will hold the football championship from February 20th till 25th. MSF in the press release informed that the championship's finale match will be played at Maibakul Union Club MUC Playground on February 25th. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. House of 10th session of 11th of Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously passes 6 demand for grants amounting over 1,000 crore rupees on the third day. Ruling ministers introduced 4 different bills in House today, including the Bir Tikendrajit University Manipur Bill 2020. Chief Minister N. Biren says silent electric engines will be fitted to digital auto rickshaws running in Imphal city by this April to reduce noise pollution. And Janata Dal United Manipur State Unit prepares for 2022 State Legislative Assembly elections. JDU Lok Sabha MP Ramprit Mandal hopeful of strengthening JDU-BJP alliance.